Unconventional machining process, also known as non-traditional machining process, uses various forms of energy like mechanical, electrical, thermal, chemical energy to remove extra materials from workpiece. These processes are often used when conventional machining is impractical or inefficient, particularly for hard or complex materials. Non-traditional processes can machine materials that are difficult or impossible to machine with traditional methods. They can create intricate shapes and features that are difficult or impossible to produce with conventional tools. Some processes offer high accuracy and surface finish. Some processes, like laser machining, can produce parts with minimal residual stress. A water jet cutter, also known as a water jet or water jet, is an industrial tool capable of cutting a wide variety of materials using an extremely high-pressure jet of water. The term abrasive jet refers specifically to the use of a mixture of water and an abrasive to cut hard materials such as metal, stone, or glass, while the terms pure water jet and water-only cutting refer to water jet cutting without the use of added abrasives, often used for softer materials such as wood or rubber. Is an abrasive blasting machining process that uses abrasives propelled by a high-velocity gas to erode material from the workpiece. Common uses include cutting heat-sensitive, brittle, thin, or hard materials. Specifically, it is used to cut intricate shapes or form specific edge shapes. Nozzles must be highly resistant to abrasion and are typically made of tungsten carbide or synthetic sapphire. When the stream strikes a workpiece surface, the erosive force of water removes the material rapidly. The water, in this case, acts like a saw and cuts a narrow groove in the workpiece material. WJM is a form of microerosion. It works by forcing a large volume of water through a small orifice in the nozzle. A water jet machine is also commonly referred to as a hydrojet or a sewer jetter. No matter what it is referred to as, it is a powerful drain cleaning piece of equipment. A water jetter harnesses water and generates it into a high-pressure flow of water. Laser machining, also known as laser beam machining, LBM, is a non-traditional machining process that utilizes a focused laser beam to remove material from a workpiece through thermal energy. This process is used for cutting, drilling, grooving, and other machining. The laser beam is focused onto the workpiece, creating high temperatures that melt or vaporize the material. The molten or vaporized material is then removed from the machining zone, often with the help of an inert gas jet. This process is sometimes referred to as ablation, where the material is rapidly evaporated or chemically degraded. Laser beam machining is a thermal energy-based advanced machining process in which material is removed by focusing the laser beam on the work surface at a constant distance to melt and vaporize the unwanted work material. There are 5 types of unconventional machining process. Ultrasonic machining process, water jet machining process, laser beam machining process, electrochemical machining process. Non-conventional machining processes are techniques that use energy sources other than mechanical force to remove material from a workpiece. These processes, also known as non-traditional machining, include electrical discharge machining, EDM, electrochemical machining, ECM, laser beam machining, LBM, ultrasonic machining, USM, and abrasive water jet machining. Non-traditional machining processes offer several advantages, including the ability to machine hard and brittle materials, create intricate shapes, and achieve high precision and surface finish. They also minimize heat-affected zones, reduce tool wear, and are suitable for micromachining and small-hole drilling. Minimal heat-affected zones. Some non-traditional processes, like those using electrical or chemical energy, minimize the heat generated during the machining process, reducing the risk of thermal damage to the workpiece.